a teddy bear. Yeah, I just want to see if she's gonna. Yeah, is that cute bear? No, they're not going after it like you did the big one. That was just so amazing the way she tackled that big one.
Maybe she liked it because it was bigger than her.
I don't know. I've got to get her something for Christmas. Something big that she can nestle into.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Said, oh, okay, there, Mommy. Put him there and you can see. Yeah. Where's he going? Can you get him? Can you bring him back up on Betty's?
Happy, huh?
Yeah, he's probably weighs not much less than you do.
Damn it.
Damn, what's he doing? Well, look at there, Jamie.
Classic. You're so
Yeah. She pulled it up once. Yeah. Oops, be careful. Well, let's go get your
Right on
check
the
stuff
ball.
when you're ready, and then that way you can, we can start doing that. Get some of it out of the way. Have put your tinge in it today to get through all the crap.
Yeah, I have like my nerve.